Zini Ozdil, a former member of the Dutch House of Representatives, has voiced optimism about two of the most famous meme currencies, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Ozdil expressed his thoughts on Twitter, claiming that the two meme coins constituted a bull flag pattern. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
According to ThinkMarket, a bull flag pattern is a continuation chart pattern that supports an extension of the uptrend. Before breaking out and continuing the uptrend, the price action consolidates inside the two parallel trend lines in the opposite direction of the rise. To put it simply, a bull flag pattern generally precedes an asset's upward price movement following a period of market consolidation. The former Dutch legislator went on to encourage his followers to avoid crypto investments if interest rates rise, advising them to instead invest in blue-chip equities. In response to one of the many comments on his tweet, Zini Ozdil made an unexpected declaration, saying that Bitcoin, the flagship digital currency, is also a shitcoin. To explain his viewpoint, Ozdil claimed that crypto assets like stocks are determined by what people perceive something to be worth rather than what something is really worth. Many investors engage in Bitcoin because they feel it has a realistic use case as a hedge against inflation, so his answer will come as a surprise to many. His viewpoint would also contradict those of top US financial organizations, including Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, who've issued research supporting the currency as a credible inflation hedge and even going so far as to get indirect exposure to the crypto coin. In a recent interview, Ozdil boasted about becoming a crypto billionaire, revealing that timely purchases in Ethereum and Doge enabled him to purchase a property on an undisclosed tropical island. Over time, many experts have argued whether celebrity endorsements are beneficial or harmful to cryptocurrencies. Today, we'd like to tell you that the answer to that question is both yes and no. It's been established that over time, celebrity endorsements are not always a negative thing. Popular rapper Nipsey Hussle was an early user of Bitcoin, and he was able to educate many of his followers about the true value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While many crypto aficionados rave about the technology's capabilities, he was more concerned with the value it delivers to users. Nipsey further recommended consumers to be cautious when investing in these assets and to do their own research. Celebrity endorsements have both positive and negative aspects. To begin with, not all cryptocurrency supporters are equal. Some, like Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk, have technical backgrounds and may have superior knowledge of the underlying technology of these assets. But other users are essentially influencers, actors, and artists who may not know any more than the ordinary person. The fact that a meme currency is one of the most endorsed cryptocurrencies on this list speaks volumes. Famous individuals have an obviously greater reach than the ordinary person, and if they do it well, their support might help propel the crypto industry ahead significantly. Dapper Labs' phenomenal success with NBA Top Shot is due in large part to NBA players themselves getting in on the action and exchanging and promoting their moments. Even people who just promote cryptocurrency initiatives provide value in their own way. This isn't to say that there's no repercussions. People will lose money in any market, whether there are celebrity endorsements or not. It would be preferable if powerful individuals promoted the whole crypto sector rather than cherry-picking specific initiatives, especially if they don't fully understand them, but this may be too much to expect. Given the consequences of celebrities endorsing frauds, pump-and-dump schemes, and low-quality cryptocurrencies, it's important to remember that when it comes to investing, we must go beyond other people's views, whether they're famous or not. The truth is that even so-called crypto professionals are still in the experimental phase of this new business, so why should we put our money in the hands of those who are even less knowledgeable? Depending on how things play out, it's likely that certain countries may prohibit any type of celebrity sponsorship of tokens over the next few months. Whatever happens, cryptocurrencies, like the internet, are here to stay. Doge has gained some basic popularity in the crypto investment world. As it has often been said, it's been established that Dogecoin has a restricted use case. Its primary role as a blockchain utility is as a means of payment. Furthermore, Mark Cuban and the Dallas Mavericks have also embraced Dogecoin as a payment method. In actuality, as of April, Cuban said that the team has earned 112,000 Doge tokens. It was the first team in the National Basketball Association to accept Doge's payments for tickets and products. Mark Cuban also told CNBC in August that he supports Dogecoin as a means of trade. The community for Doge is the strongest when it comes to utilizing it as a means of trade, he told the outlet. Elon Musk has remained a staunch supporter of Dogecoin, as is evident in his tweets and remarks. However, there's lately been conjecture that Tesla, the electric vehicle firm he oversees, may accept Dogecoin as a payment option. According to CNBC, Elon Musk directly owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The world's wealthiest man, mentioning Dogecoin among the two biggest cryptos on the market, is quite a seal of support. Alternatively, you could consider it a halo effect for Doge. The cryptocurrency is attracting a large number of youthful investors, millennials, and Gen Z crypto aficionados. That's the kind of advertisement you can't buy. So what does this mean for Doge? In the last quarterly report that was presented by the crypto firm, Robinhood stated that the trading platform experienced a decline in Dogecoin trades over the last quarter. However, this doesn't imply that the cryptocurrency's popularity has declined. If the Dogecoin price remains consistent at this level over time, its attractiveness as a form of payment will grow. That's what a reserve currency requires. Customers who purchase products and services must have faith that their money won't lose value over time. Otherwise, no one would accept it as a payment method. They would never want their currency to deteriorate, as it has in Brazil or Turkey, for example. Furthermore, as Doge achieves acceptability, its value will gradually rise owing to its popularity and attraction. I believe that is what is occurring with Dogecoin right now, particularly given the massive personalities that seem to have given it a halo effect. Many people believe that one of the most serious issues with Dogecoin is that the great bulk of its supply is held by a small number of wallets. This gives a small group of people power over price variations, which may have a significant impact on market liquidity. Currently, 0.002% of Dogecoin wallets own 2/3 of the entire quantity of the currency. Bitcoin wallet sizes are relatively equally distributed in comparison to Dogecoin. According to Glassnode, wallets with 1 Bitcoin or fewer hold about 5% of the overall supply. Wallets with 10 to 50 Bitcoin hold nearly 9% of the total supply, and wallets with 500 to 1,000 Bitcoin hold 6.6% of the whole supply. Why then is Dogecoin increasing in value despite the fact that it has no fundamental value? The explanation may be traced back to a variety of current market situations. The most apparent explanation is because of fiscal stimulus and inflation. The US economy was worth about $15.4 trillion in Feb of 2020. It's now risen to about $20 trillion as a result of the different stimulus programs. With a flood of money, stock market prices, real estate prices, commodities prices, and so on have all skyrocketed. Another factor contributing to Dogecoin's rise is the increasing usage of financial applications such as Robinhood by younger generations. Trading and investing have never been more accessible. Not only that, but almost every major retail brokerage platform slashed commission rates and account minimums to 0 in 2019, making trading and investing accessible to anybody who's 18 years old and above with a phone. With such easy access for younger individuals, a new culture has arisen on Reddit and other forums, many of which are more focused on comedy than on solid financial selections. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.